Hey guys, today's video we take a look top 3 best turntables record player on the market. Listening to a physical record, as opposed to streaming music, is a welcome change. Instead of just using the music as background noise for your day, its relative annoyance compels you to pay closer attention to the music. By being simple to use and providing sound quality that brings the music to life, a decent turntable or record player should make this process more enjoyable. Because it has all the characteristics necessary to produce the best listening experience, we advise using the pro-ject Debut Carbon Evo. Fortunately, we did the research for you and compiled a list of our top 3 picks for turntables for you to think about. Number 3. Sony PSLX3 10BT. Easy operation. Effortlessly enjoy your favorite records with one-step auto start, stop and return. 2 speeds, 33 1/3 RPM and 45 RPM, with a 45 RPM adapter stowed neatly in a slot beneath the deck. High-quality audio. Built-in switchable phono output/line-out phono preamp and 3 gain settings. USB ripping. Rip vinyl records to digital MP3 files on your computer to take a favorite LP on the go. Wireless connection. Connect to wireless speakers, headphones, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Supports phono and line output thanks to built-in phono EQ. Wired connection. PSLX3 10BT turntables include RCA cables for plugging directly into a stereo system. Stable platter. An aluminum die-cast platter reduces vibration for increased clarity and hi-fi sound. Straight tone arm. A newly designed aluminum pipe tone arm gives the record players improved tracking. In the box, turntable, removable dust cover, vibration dampening slip mat, 45 adapter, USB-B cable. Number 2. Fluance RT82. Pure analog performance, the definitive vinyl record listening experience for beautifully warm and natural music, transporting you into the center of the performance. Exceptional musical accuracy. Immerse yourself in dynamic music reproduction with the Audiophone OM10 elliptical cartridge, delivering improved linearity, higher channel separation, and reduced distortion. Speed control for precision playback. The isolated motor prevents unwanted vibrations and noise, while the speed control mechanism ensures consistent platter velocity, 0.07% wow/flutter. High mass NDF wood plinth revel in the gorgeously crafted cabinet with real wood finish and a highly precise metal platter with adjustable resonance damping feet, ensuring superior isolation from unwanted micro vibrations. Spectacular signal clarity. Caress your records with the balanced S-shaped tone arm for accurate tracking of the record groove and no electronics in the signal path for a cleaner, exceptionally detailed sound. Note: phono preamp not included. Number 1. pro-ject Debut Carbon Evo. Because it is an advancement of the cherished original Debut Carbon, pro-ject calls this turntable the Debut Carbon EVO. For instance, a resonance damping internal TPE, thermoplastic elastomer, ring has been added to the hefty steel platter for a smoother, quieter performance. Additionally, the suspension and motor systems have been upgraded. The medium-density fiberboard (MDF) base of the table is supported by 3 height-adjustable damped aluminum feet, and you can now change speeds between 33 1/3 and 45 RPM with the use of a handy button concealed on the underside of the chassis. It's a stylish turntable with a variety of lovely color options and a streamlined design. Sumiko Rainier phono cartridge, factory mounted and precision aligned. Heavy 1.7 kg stamped steel platter, WTP damping. For more details, follow the link given in the description box down below.
If you are new here, like the video and don't forget to subscribe.